Hi students. So in the last class we studied about our family. Okay, today we are going to start our chapter 4, the food we eat. Or chapter 4, the food we eat. And why do we need food? Yes, we need food to live and grow. We need food to live and grow. Before that, in your textbook, here's a warm-up section. Dennis is happy. He is enjoying his food. And here is a picture of a baby boy. And the boy's name is Dennis. And here some food items are given. And the question is, try to identify and name any 3 food items in his plate. So, you want to identify the food item, any 3 food items in this plate. Here 3 food items, apple, then this is egg, chapati, banana. So here is 3 columns are left. So write here names of any 3 food items in Dennis plate. Okay. So I write here as apple, then banana, and egg. These are the 3 food items in Dennis plate. Okay. So this is the warm-up section of chapter 4, the food we eat. And now we are going to start our portion. So in this chapter we discussed about food we eat and then good food habits. Okay. So we eat food to live and grow. Why do we need food? We eat food. We eat food to live and grow. We need food to live and grow. And food gives us energy to work and play. And food helps us to stay healthy. Food helps us to stay healthy. Always we eat healthy food, and the healthy food protect us from diseases and always stay healthy and strong. Okay, so we eat lot of green vegetables and fruits that are healthy foods that protect us from many diseases. And here's the question: how do we need food? We need food. Why do we need food? We need food to live and grow. We need food to live and grow. We need food to live and grow. And next one is food help us to grow and become strong. Food help us to grow and strong. And the food gives us energy. Food gives us energy. Food gives us energy, and it also protects us from diseases and keeps us healthy. Food keeps us healthy. We eat many healthy foods, and the healthy foods protect us from diseases. So we need food to live and grow, and the food gives us energy to work and play. The food gives us energy to work and play. So we need food to live and grow. Food gives us energy to work and play. Then the sources of food. Sources of food. The sources of food means where do we get food from? We get food from plants and animals. So plants and animals are the main sources of food. vegetables, then fruits. Fruits are also we get from plants, and nuts. Then cereals. Cereals and pulses. That means grains. Grains include cereals and pulses. Cereals and pulses. These are the main food items that we get from plants. Okay. And the food items that we get from animals are, we already know that milk, egg and meat. Milk, egg, meat, and honey is also get from animals. Okay. So we get food from plants and animals. So plants and animals are called the sources of food. And the food items that we get from plants are vegetables, fruits, nuts, cereals and pulses. Vegetables, fruits, nuts, cereals and pulses we get from plants. And the food items that we get from animals are milk, egg and meat. Milk, egg and meat we get from animals. So these are called the animal product, and vegetables, fruits, nuts, cereals and pulses are called the plant products because they get from plants. Okay. So we get food from plants and animals. So plants and animals are called the sources of food. And the main food items that we get from plants are vegetables, fruits, nuts, cereals and pulses. And the food items that we get from animals are called milk, egg and meat. And always also the food items that we get from plants are called the plant products, and the food items that we get from animals are called the animal products. Okay. Then so which are the food items that we get from plants? The food items that we get from plants are, yes, first one is vegetables, fruits, nuts, cereals and pulses. Okay. Fruits. Then next one, nuts, vegetables. Then next one, cereals. Pulses. These are the food items that we get from plants, and these food items are called the plant products. So first we studied about fruits. Okay, fruits is a plant product that fruits get from plants, and fruits are the part of a plant that contains one or more seeds. Okay, fruits. First one is fruits. Fruits are the part of a plant that contains one or more seeds inside them. Okay. Some fruits like mango has only one seed inside them, and the fruits like watermelon has many more seeds inside it. Okay. Such parts of plants are called fruits. Fruits are the part of plant. Part of plant. Fruits are the part of plant. Then that has one or more seeds inside them. That contains one or more seeds. So fruits is the part of a plant that contains one or more seeds. Okay. Example, mango, watermelon, apple, orange, etc. are fruits. Examples for fruits: apple has few seeds inside them, and orange has few seeds inside them. And next one, mango is a fruit, and mango has only one seed inside them. And watermelon has many seeds. Many seeds inside them. So these are called fruits. So the first food item that we get from plants are fruits. Fruits means fruits are the parts of a plant that contains one or more seeds. seeds that contain one or more seeds. Some fruits are only one seeds inside them. Other fruits are few or many more seeds inside them. And the next plant product is nuts. Okay, what do you mean by nuts? Nuts are also fruits that have a hard shell with edible seeds. Edible seeds inside. Nuts are fruits that have a hard shell with the edible seeds inside them. Okay, so nuts are fruits with a hard shell. Nuts have a hard shell to protect the edible seed inside it. Okay, so nuts are fruits that have a hard shell. That have a hard shell that contain edible seed inside. With the edible means the eatable part of a plant is called the edible part. Okay, so shell with the edible, edible, edible seeds inside. Such types of fruits are called nuts. Example: walnuts, peanuts are examples for nuts. Okay, so nuts are fruits and that have a hard shell. Nuts have a hard shell with the edible seeds inside. Nuts have a hard shell with the edible seeds inside. Nuts are fruits. Nuts are fruits that have a hard shell with the edible seed inside. Such types of fruits are called nuts. Examples for nuts: walnuts, then peanuts, etc. Walnuts, peanuts. Walnut and peanuts are a hard shell with the edible seed inside them. So they are called nuts. And the next one is vegetables. Next plant product is vegetable. Vegetable is an important plant product that make up that protect us from many diseases. Okay, some parts of a plant that we used to eat that we eat as food are called vegetables. Some parts of a plant that we eat as our food are called vegetables. And examples for vegetables are carrot, then potato, then another one, yes, ladyfinger, onion, cucumber, etc. are vegetables. And the vegetables we cook the vegetables before eating, and some vegetables we also eat as raw, and the fruits all fruits are eaten as raw. Raw means the fruits are eaten without cooking. Some vegetables also be eaten without cooking. So example, carrot. The vegetable carrot we eat without cooking. Okay, so the next one is cereals. So the eatable part of a plant is called vegetable. Then next one, cereals. Cereals are grains. Cereals and pulses are grains. Cereals means cereals are seeds of the plant. Cereals are the seeds of the plants. seeds of the plant. They are the seeds of the seeds are the seeds of the plant, and also some seeds like wheat, rice, maize, etc. are examples for cereals. So cereals are seeds of the plant. Example wheat, rice, maize, etc. are cereals. So cereals are the seeds of the plants, and wheat, rice, maize are examples for cereals. So we are the seeds of wheat, rice and maize are used for eating. So that they are cereals. And the next one is pulses. Pulses is also including in grains. Pulses means some plants have seeds from which we make the food items like sambar, dal, etc. They are called pulses. The plants have seeds from which we used for cooking, used for make sambar, dal and etc. are called pulses. And examples for pulses are chickpeas, kidney beans, etc. are pulses. Okay, these are the food items that we get from plants. Once again I repeated, the food items that we get from plants are fruits, nuts, vegetables, cereals and pulses. Fruits, nuts, vegetables, cereals and pulses. Fruits means the part of a plant that contains seeds inside them. Examples for fruits. What are the examples of fruits? Yes, mango, watermelon, then apple, orange, grapes, etc. are fruits. And next one, nuts. Nuts means nuts are also fruits, and nuts means nuts are a hard shell with edible seeds inside. Nuts means a hard shell with edible seeds inside them are called nuts. A hard shell with edible seeds. A hard shell with edible seeds inside them are called nuts. Examples for nuts: walnut, peanut, etc. And the next one is vegetable. The part of a vegetables are the parts of a plant that we eat as our food are called vegetables. And examples for vegetables are, yes, carrot, then potato, ladyfinger, spinach, then tomatoes, cauliflower, etc. are examples for vegetables. Pumpkin, they are also vegetable. Then next one is cereals. Cereals means food grains like cereals are seeds. Cereals are seeds of plants. Cereals are the seeds of plants. And examples for cereals are, yes, wheat, maize, then rice, etc. And we use cereals for make chapati, pancakes, bread, etc. Okay. So we use cereals for making chapati, then pancake, bread, etc. Then next one is pulses. Pulses means some plants have seeds from which we make dal, sambar, and different types of curries. These types of seeds are called pulses. The seeds we used to make different curries like sambar, dal, etc. are called pulses. And examples for pulses are chickpeas and kidney beans, black gram, etc. are pulses. Okay, so cereals are used to make chapati, pancake and bread. Okay, so these are the main food items that we get from plants. And the next sources of food is animals. What are the food items we get from animals? The food items that we get from animals are milk, egg and meat. Milk, eggs and meat. These are the food items that we get from animals. Okay, first one is milk. So we get milk from cows, buffaloes and goat. Okay, so milk is good for health. First animal product is milk. Milk get from cow, goat, buffaloes, etc. And milk is good for health. Milk is good for health. Milk is good for our health. Okay. What is you drink? 1 glass of milk every day. Milk make you healthy. Good for health. And many food items that we make from milk like curd, butter, ghee, etc. or ice creams, etc. made from milk. The food items that we make from milk are ice creams. Ice creams made from milk, and also some food items like butter, ghee, etc. made from milk. Okay, so milk is an animal product, and we get milk from cow, goat, etc. And milk is good for health. Milk is good for health, and we make many food items like ice creams, butter, ghee, and cheese from milk. Okay, so the next one is egg. Next animal product is eggs. Egg. Okay, so eggs are also an animal product. Eggs are very nutritious to children, and the children like the eggs are liked the most by children. And we normally eat the eggs of hens. We eat eggs of hen, and eggs are used to make omelets and many other dishes. Eggs are used to make omelets and many other dishes. So eggs are nutritious. Eggs are nutritious. Eggs are nutritious. N-U-T-R-I-T-I-O-U-S. Nutritious. N-U-T-R-I-T-I-O-U-S. Nutritious. Eggs are nutritious and loved by children. So eggs help to the growth of children. Okay, because they contain protein. Leave it. So then one and only point is eggs are nutritious. Eggs are nutritious, and we use eggs to make omelets and many other dishes. We use eggs to make omelets and many other dishes. Okay. And the next animal product is meat. Meat means chicken, fish, and meat are the animal products eaten by many people. So meat, fish, chicken, and meat are eaten by many people. So these are the animal products. Which are the animal products? Yes. Say loud. Milk, eggs, and meat. Milk, eggs, and meat are the animal products. Are the food items that we get from animals. Okay. Milk means we get milk from cow, goats, etc. And milk is good for our health. Milk is good for our health, and also we make some food items like curd, butter, ghee, etc. Ice creams, etc. with the milk. Okay. Then next one is eggs. Eggs are nutritious and like the more loved by children. Children the most. And the next one is meat. Many people eat meat. Okay. Meat, chicken, and fish. So these are the food items we get from animals. the next one. So in this chapter we discussed about food items and sources of food. So first one is first important thing that we discussed in this chapter is need of food. Why do we need food? We need food to live. We need food to live, and food gives us energy to work on play we get food from plants and animals, and the food that we get from plants are fruits, vegetables, nuts, cereals, and pulses, and the food items that we get from animals are milk, eggs, and meat. These are the food items we get from animals, and the food items that we get from plants are called plant products. And the food items that we get from animals are called animal products. Okay, so these are the important things that we studied in our fourth chapter, and the next portion is food habits of people. Before that, once again I repeated the portion. So we studied about why do we need food? Why do we need food? We need food to live. We need food to live and grow. Okay, we need food to live and grow. We need food to live and grow. And food we get food. Food gives us energy to work and play. And we get food from plants and animals. And the food items that we get from plants are fruits, vegetables, nuts, cereals, and pulses. And the food items that we get from animals are milk, eggs, and meat. So fruits means the part of a plant that there are seeds inside them, and the fruits we eat in are raw, which means without cooking. And vegetables means the eatable, the part of a plant that we eat are called vegetables. And examples for vegetables are carrot, pumpkin, potato, etc. And nuts means it's a fruit and having a hard shell. Hard shells with the seeds inside, edible seeds inside them are called cereals and nuts. Then cereals means food grains are like cereals are seeds of the plants, and examples for cereals are wheat, maize, rice, etc. And pulses means some plants are seeds from which we make dal, then sambar, etc. Such seeds are called pulses. And next one, animal product, milk, eggs, and meat. Milk we get from cow and goats, and milk is good for health. Okay, and milk is also used for making many items such as ice cream butter, curd, etc. And best one here, egg is very nutritious and loved by children the most. And also we use so we normally eat the eggs of hens. We normally eat the eggs of hen. Okay. So the next one is meat, chicken, fish and meat are very important animal product that eaten by many people. So these are the things that we studied in this class. And the next one is food habits of people. Different peoples eat different types of food according to their taste. Okay. So the next one is food habits of people. Okay. So some people who eat some fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, nuts, milk and milk products. Such types of habits are called vegetarians. So first one is vegetarians. Vegetarians. So the spelling of vegetarian, vegetarians. Vegetarians means people who eat fruits, vegetables, nuts, cereals, pulses, milk and milk products are called vegetarians. People who eat plant products, milk and milk products are called vegetarians. Okay, plant products such as fruits, vegetables, vegetables, then cereals, cereals, pulses, pulses, milk and milk products such as this, curd, ice creams, etc. Milk products are called vegetarians. So vegetarians means they do not eat meat, fish, chicken, etc. Okay, they eat only milk. They eat fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, milk and milk products. Okay, people who eat fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, milk and milk products are called vegetarians. And non-vegetarian means people who eat meat along with the vegetarian foods are called non-vegetarian. Vegetarian foods are vegetables, cereals, pulses, fruits, milk and milk products are vegetarian foods. And some people, most of the people eat meat along with the vegetarian foods. Such types of people are called non-vegetarians. Okay, so vegetarians means people who eat fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, milk and milk products are called vegetarians. Once again, people who eat fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, milk and milk products are called vegetarians. Spelling of vegetarians, vegetarians. vegetarians. Okay. Non-vegetarians means the people who eat meat along with the vegetarian foods are called non-vegetarians. So in this chapter we discussed about food and the need of food and different types of food items that we get from plants and animals. Plants and animals are the sources of food. Okay, and the food items that we get from plants are pulses, cereals, vegetables, nuts and fruits. And we eat healthy foods. Healthy foods protect us from many diseases. And the food items that we get from animals are fish, meat, egg and milk. Milk, egg and meat are the food items that we get from animals. And the food items that we get from plants are called plant products, and the food items that we get from animals are called animal products. So the next portion we will discuss in our next class. So today let us wind up our class. Study well. Thank you.